This is the elevator, Boscov's in Johnstown, Pennsylvania at the Johnstown Galleria Mall. We got Schindler MPH with RT from 1992. Dang, this thing is third floor. Here we go. I cannot get in the freight elevator, unfortunately, here, but I do know it has peely doors. I know it has peely doors, which is good. One. Going down?
Yep.
What floor?
First one and second.
Second?
Yep.
I'm just an elevator enthusiast.
Alright, you're doing your job well. No.
This is a Schindler elevator installed in 1992.
I wasn't even born yet.
And this was installed in 1992 with the mall opening.
It's older than me, 30 years.
You have a nice day.
Thank you.
Since this is busy, we'll get our cab going down. Accelerator positioning. Very nice elevator. Here's Fixtures RT. Non-ADA compliant phone. 2,500 pound capacity. 5 hours operation. Installed in 1992. Frankly, this thing's pretty tiny. That's it.